Hello and welcome to this session on enrolling learners and students into your Genomio Moodle course. In this session, we look at how to allow students to enroll themselves in Moodle course by self-enrollment method. There are a number of ways in which your students can access your course. For example, your administrator might enroll them for you, or they might be automatically enrolled from outside, or they might be able to create their own accounts on Moodle site and then enroll themselves into your course. After watching this video, you will be able to explore different enrollment methods, add students into Moodle course, and enable self-enrollment in Moodle. So open Moodle site which has created earlier, provide username and password and then log in as administrator. Your Moodle site, it looks like this. Here you are unable to find your course which you have created. So just click on these three horizontal lines at left top corner to view dashboard. You will find Site Home Action tab and then click on it. So here is the list of available course. So just click on the name of course to enter into the course. Now you are in the course. On left hand you will find navigation drawer, and if you click on participants link in navigation drawer, then you will get a list of participants. Here it will show number of participants is 0 as we have not added any student. Then click on this gear icon. We see enroll users and enrollment methods. Enrollment means how the students get into your course. If you click enrollment methods, we can see the different ways that students are able to access or be enrolled into course. Manual method is only one method is enabled for this course. Guest access and self-enrollment method are already disabled. So let's discuss how to allow students to enroll themselves in your course by enabling self-enrollment method in Moodle. Here is eye icon has line through it, means it has disabled. By clicking it to open, it will allow us to give students permission to access the course themselves. So just click on this eye icon. Now eye icon is enabled. So just scroll down navigation drawer to find site administration link. So this drawer is navigation is scroll down. So here is site administration tab. Click on this site administration link. So type here self to search and then click on search tab and then scroll down to find manage authentication. So here is the list of available authentication plugins. Here is email based self-registration is disabled as eye icon has line through it. So just clicking it to make it enable. So now email based self-registration enable eye icon is open. Then again scroll down to find common settings. In common settings, in which self-registration is disabled by default. So just click here to open the options available here. It will shows two options, disable and email based self-registration. Choose email based self-registration option and then scroll down. Clicking on save changes to save all the settings. So here all settings are saved now. So log out from administration account and open your Gnomio Moodle site, that is pharmachem.gnomio.com. So this is a home page of Moodle site showing list of available courses list. In front of course name there is an arrow icon which shows self-enrollment is enabled. So just click on the course name to get into the course. It will show link to create new account. It will ask you, is this your first time here? So you can able to create a new account by using this link. If you remember that before enabling self-enrollment method, login page looks like this. So here is change observed after enabling self-enrollment method. Now it has a link to create a new account. So just click on create a new account tab. Then fill username, password, email address, first name, surname, city, country, security questions. Once you have filled all the fields, then click on create my new account. An email should have been sent to user email address for verification. So just click on continue and open an email and check whether you have received an email or not. Here I have received mail from pharmachem.gnomio.com Moodle site. So click here to open. To confirm your new account or confirm your registration, just click on this link. So self-registration on Moodle site has been confirmed. Then click on continue to complete the process. Here is the list of course and enrollment options are now seen. So just click here to enroll to the course. Students has successfully enrolled into the course by email based self-registration method. Click on participants links on navigation drawer to check user registration. So here you will find out the number of participants is 1, that is one participant has registered as a dummy students by using the self-enrollment method. So dummy student has successfully enrolled to the course. So far we have discussed how to enroll the learners or students into your Gnomio Moodle course by self-enrollment method. Thank you very much. Happy learning. Thank you.